Hey everyone, I'm Bill. I'm with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Thunderhill Raceway East, the 3-mile track. And welcome back the 2022 BMW S1000 Single R. Don't worry. We'll have the Street Fighter out early enough, but we are going to go out one more session on the S1000 Single R. I have had a few adjustments that Dave has made for me. Dave Moss, that is. So we're gonna go ahead out and get you guys a little bonus ride. I'll talk a little bit on the way out until we can kind of get through our warm-up lap. But we're here at the 3-mile, and then next week we head up to the Ridge up in Washington. I am super excited for that. Get a little heat in the tires. And away we go. So we're going to shoot a little bonus ride for you guys today. Now, after the first ride, I said I was going to do a bonus ride, and unfortunately, I had some camera issues, and I wasn't able to get you guys the first bonus ride on the street, which it was pretty sick. It was pretty dope. But today is the first bonus ride out here on track on the S1000 Single R. We have the thing fully Bren tuned. We have the flapper delete is installed. The air temperature relocation has been installed, and the full aero header with the SC Project exhaust. So it's sounding pretty good. It's running really great. And as a bonus, Dave Moss has got his hands finally on the bike. If you guys missed the first video, we did find preload. I think it's preload. And preload is on the front right fork of this bike. I think we're in 7 turns. And then the rear, we're in 10.5 turns of preload. And it was feeling pretty good. It was feeling really good on the first session out. I was getting a little bit of wiggle on the higher speeds at acceleration. But all in all, pretty good. So, if you guys are new to the channel and you're unfamiliar with a bonus ride, usually I vlog through and talk through most of my videos, and I do that because, I don't know, I kind of think it's boring just to watch some guy ride on the track, but some of you guys disagree. And so, a bonus ride, me no talkie, we let the bike talkie. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride here at Thunderhill East on the 2022 BMW S1000 Single R. real quick, if you guys are familiar with the channel, that is the lovely Bogdan in front of us. We'll ride a lap with her, maybe two. We're gonna do one more lap with Bogna. The photographer's over there. She's always asking for photos. And stay tuned because I think the next video, she wants a tow from me, which she never asks for a tow from me. So she knows I really love this track. She knows I'm really familiar with this track. So I've got a little bit different line, but I think it's a pretty decent line. Him and Jorge. Alright, so we're gonna take off from here. Bye, love! Or maybe not. think that V2 is as fast or faster than this bike. Remember, it's tuned and deleted as well. We gotta get that thing over to a dyno. So I have an ABS failure. I think I missed shift there. So we're gonna take it a little bit easy. Yeah, I'm not sure exactly what's failing, so I don't want to go pushing it crazy. I think traction control at least is on. there's our checkered flag, boys and girls. Not too bad, not too bad. So the ABS light came on, deactivated. I shifted from second to third. It went into third. When I went to shift to fourth, it ended up going back into second. So the ABS probably just freaked out. Whew. Not a bad session, guys. Yes. Got a little hung up there. Got to ride with Bogna though, so I won't complain too much about that. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna check our hot tire pressures and see how they look. But all in all, you know, I was pushing it pretty decent, and the suspension definitely felt much better. Tires look good, so we're gonna try to get these things at 23 hot, 24 hot, and then we want the fronts at 32 to 34 hot. So we're gonna check that out. But thank you guys for sticking around for another video. Sorry I'm getting undressed. Bogna just showed up. I got a couple laps with you, babe. And then Jorge dive bombed our photo. But I think we got one good photo. So, but thank you guys for sticking around. I'm gonna get to these hot tire pressures and see how they look. But do the normal, hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, and then ring the bell notification. We get back from the Ridge next weekend. When we get home, we're gonna have some parts for this thing, so stay tuned, and we'll have the V4 out. So thank you guys again for watching, and we'll see you next video. Bye, guys.